Okay, hello again. We're at Spicy Ginger in Latchford, Warrington on Knutsford Rd, and the chef is going to kindly cook for us a MURGH Kali Mirch, which is a chicken dish with some spicy pepper in it. So first of all, the chef is going to put some pure butter ghee in, nice and decadent. It's a good chef spoon of that, maybe 2.5 to 3 tablespoons worth. Once that's done, he's going to put in some fresh garlic slices. And of course those will cook very quickly, so he's now going to move on to put some garlic paste in. We've got another camera taking photos of that. And now in with the onion. I'm quite relieved when the onion goes in because it sort of stops things from burning. And a tiny bit of salt, quarter to a third of a teaspoon of salt. Some mixed powder, about a teaspoon. Again, about a teaspoon and a bit of chili powder, regular that is. And some methi, yep. Tomato puree. That's been diluted with water. And now it's going to put a tiny bit of garam masala in there too, for extra flavour. So just a splash of base gravy at this point. It stops the spices from burning and gives them time to cook through. Now this dish has got keema in it, minced lamb that's been pre-cooked on these lovely chicken tikka slices. Excellent. Yep, we've got some more base gravy going in, then about a full ladle in a bit. Yep, a little bit of coriander, and when it's finished we'll put some extra coriander on top. It adds a flavour at this point. Yes, after the garnish. But it's good to add a little bit now because it adds flavour that will permeate the curry. So the chef's mixed it together, he's turned the heat up high, I'm going to let that sit for a minute or two and come back to it. Up there, very familiar sight in Indian restaurants and takeaways. We've got the spice tray, usually salt, sugar, garam masala, kasuri methi, sugar, turmeric, chili powder, and here's interesting, we've got some chaat masala, which is a good thing to see. So now the chef is adding some fresh tomato quarters. Quite late on in cooking, give them the time to soften a bit but not go mushy. And again, it's on full heat. It's just a matter of waiting for that to reduce down. So there's the base gravy. A huge pot. The chef told me what's in it: onions, carrots, green and red pepper, potato, garlic, ginger, oil, and of course it cooks for a long time. Go back. The chef's giving it a quick stir. You can see on the bottom it's stuck a little. It's stirring that back in. Thank you, chef. So in case you're wondering why the fan is sometimes on and sometimes off in the background, it's just so enough smoke and fumes can clear that it's comfortable to be in the kitchen. And then we turn it off so that it doesn't interfere too much with the sound. So right, that's looking very nice. I think the chef's going to leave it perhaps just a little bit longer to thicken up. Wouldn't it be great to have one of these burners at home that you can use indoors? That's that's impressive. Look at that heat. Heat is your friend. Okay. So now chef's going to plate it up and we're going to add this special garnish on top. And that is MURGH Kali Mirch. In for a taste.
Yeah.
I'll try a bit of this mincemeat first. Look at that. Mmm. It's got tons of flavour, just that keema by itself. It's beautiful. Try a bit of this chicken tikka. I might not grab that bit of onion. There you go. Chef Abdul was just telling me this is a very popular dish, and I fully understand why. Because that keema is spot on. The chicken tikka is tender and flavoursome. Okay, so this is Misty Ricardo, Richard Sayce, and I'm at Spicy Ginger in Latchford, Warrington, on Knutsford Rd. So do pop down. I think you'll like it. In fact, I guarantee you'll like it. Thanks everyone for watching, and a special thanks to the staff here at Spicy Ginger, especially Chef Abdul Mannan. Okay, bye for now.